InVideo just launched AI agents for storyboarding. I typed one sentence and got an entire cinematic storyboard with consistent characters across 9 shots. Most AI tools generate single images. This one understands stories. It plans the entire sequence. This should not be free, but it is. The Boards agent, Looks agent, and Angles agent are all free for the next 2 weeks on InVideo. That's 3 specialized AI agents, story, style, and cinematography, completely free. If you're serious about video creation and want to go from idea to storyboard to finished video without hiring a production crew, this is it. Let's walk through exactly how it works. First, log into InVideo.io. On the top navigation, you'll see Agents dropdown. Click it. You'll see Models below. Scroll down and you'll find the new AI Agents section. You'll see 3 agents, Angles, Boards, and Looks. We're focused on the Boards agent. Click on it. You're now inside the Boards agent interface. It's clean and intuitive. There are 3 input fields. First, a story brief text area. Second, optional character reference image uploads. Third, a generate button. That's it. No complex parameters, no technical jargon. Just describe your story like you're pitching it to a director. Here's the key to getting amazing results. Write naturally. Describe your story, not technical parameters. Let me give you a real example from the brief. Instead of scientist, cure, hunger, Nobel, you'd write, a scientist who discovers a cure for hunger and solves obesity in the world. He gets a Nobel Prize. See the difference? One is natural storytelling. One is keywords. The Boards agent uses semantic understanding. It comprehends narrative structure, emotional beats, character arcs. When you describe your story this way, the agent understands the full context. Now, character references, this is optional, but it's powerful. If you have reference images of your character, your environment, or your visual style, attach them. Click the image upload button. You can add multiple character references so the agent knows exactly what your protagonist looks like. The context agent behind the scenes absorbs these character references and style inputs. When the Boards agent builds your storyboard, every single shot will feature the same consistent character. No re-rolling, no manual consistency checks, just perfect continuity across 9 shots. Once you've written your story and attached references, optional but recommended, click the Generate button. The Boards agent starts working. Behind the scenes, 5 specialized agents collaborate. The context agent absorbs your character and style inputs. The story agent breaks your narrative into a planned shot sequence. The world-building agent constructs each environment. The character agent ensures the same person appears consistently across every scene. The composition agent makes directorial decisions about framing, camera angles, and visual weight. You see one seamless storyboard. Under the hood, it's a production crew. Within seconds, you get a complete 9-shot storyboard. And here's what makes this revolutionary. These aren't 9 random images. This is a planned narrative sequence. Shot 1 sets the scene. Shots build tension. The protagonist evolves. Emotional beats land. By shot 9, the story has arrived at a meaningful conclusion. The storyboard understands narrative structure. It's thinking like a filmmaker, not like an image generator. Now let's walk through what you're looking at. The storyboard displays 9 shots in a grid. Look at the character. Zoom in. It's the same person in every shot. Same face, same clothing, same proportions. The Boards agent maintained perfect consistency without you lifting a finger. Compare this to traditional AI filmmaking. Most creators generate a character in Mid-Journey or Flux, then prompt each scene individually. Then they manually check if the face and clothing stayed consistent across outputs. They re-roll dozens of times to get a matching set. They're spending hours on consistency. The Boards agent does it as one planned sequence. Consistent characters, coherent worlds, and intelligent composition from a single brief. Look at the narrative progression. Shot 2 expands on shot 1. Shot 3 introduces conflict or complication. By the middle, the character faces their challenge. Shots 7 and 8 build toward resolution. Shot 9 delivers the emotional or narrative payoff. The storyboard isn't random, it's structured. It understands that stories have beginning, middle, and end. Look at composition variety. One shot is a wide establishing shot. Next is a medium close-up. Another is a low-angle power shot. The composition agent made directorial decisions about framing and visual weight. Each shot serves a purpose. Each angle emphasizes a different aspect of the narrative. This is cinematic thinking. This is what separates a storyboard from a random collection of images. Once your board's storyboard is complete, you can supplement it with 2 additional agents. The Looks agent explores different visual treatments for your shots: color grading, mood, lighting, tone. Same shot, different feels. So, if shot 3 from your storyboard feels a bit flat, you can feed it to the Looks agent and see 10 variations. One with cool cinematic blue grading, one with warm nostalgic orange tones, one with high contrast noir lighting. You pick the look that matches your vision. Same visual storytelling, completely different emotional impact. The Angles agent explores different camera angles and framing for the same moment: wide shot, close up, over the shoulder, low angle power shot, bird's eye perspective. The Angles agent shows you how the same scene changes when you change the camera position. Different perspectives for different emotional beats. These agents augment your storyboard. They refine it. But the board's agent is the foundation. The story comes first. Style and camera follow. Here's where your storyboard becomes production ready. From your 9-shot grid, select the shots you want. Maybe you love shots 1, 3, 4, 6, and 9. Click them, then click Extract. In one click, all your selected shots pull out as standalone high-quality images. These extracted shots can go directly into video generation. You can feed them to InVideo's video generation models. You can refine them further with looks or angles. You can export them for production. You can storyboard an entire film, explore visual treatments, test different camera angles, extract your shots, and go straight into production. All inside InVideo, all free for the next 2 weeks. Think about the workflow: idea, storyboard, extract shots, generate video, final edit. Every step inside one platform. No switching between tools, no consistency headaches, no re-rolling characters 50 times. One brief becomes a production pipeline. And here's the critical part: all 3 AI agents, boards, looks, and angles, are completely free for the next 2 weeks on InVideo. You can storyboard an entire film, explore visual treatments, test different camera angles, and extract your shots without spending a credit. If you're serious about video creation and want access to 80 image and video models and higher creative limits, InVideo's paid plans are worth exploring. But right now, the Boards agent is free, the Looks agent is free, the Angles agent is free. Storyboard, extract, produce, everything you need free for 2 weeks. The Boards agent transforms how filmmakers plan. One sentence becomes a 9-shot cinematic storyboard. Consistent characters, coherent worlds, intelligent composition. It's free for the next 2 weeks. Go to InVideo.io, click Agents, scroll to AI Agents, and select the Boards agent. Describe your story. Attach your character references. Generate, extract, produce. Your next masterpiece starts with a single brief.